There are hundreds of different book categories on Amazon. Some are completely oversaturated and some barely sell at all. And then there are the ones that people just keep buying over and over again. And that's what we're going to take a look at today. In this video, I'm going to show you Amazon book niches that people can't seem to stop buying. And if you've ever felt stuck because there are too many options on KDP, too many niches, too many categories, too many people telling you different things, I get it. That's actually one of the hardest parts about the business. It's not always creating the book. Sometimes it's just figuring out what book is even worth your time. So I put together a list of niches that can help you narrow things down and start thinking more strategically about your KDP business. Because the goal is not to chase every random idea. The goal is to find niches with real demand, understand why people are buying them, and then use that information to create a better overall book. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first niche is going to be the Alphabet Dot Markers activity book. This is super popular with parents that want to buy their children some type of activity. And so this is an evergreen type of book, meaning it's going to sell year round. Doesn't matter the season, doesn't matter the time of year. Parents will constantly buy these for their children. And you can see that here with a niche score of 89. That's extremely high. And Titans Pro Analysis says demand is a 5, opportunity is an 8. We can see right here, total results 287. So for this particular keyword, not too competitive here. This is definitely one that you can try to attack. Average bestsellers rank very, very low here, 228,000. That is on the first page. Now the book in the #1 ranking, as you can see right here, estimated royalties, $3,000 to almost $5,000 per month coming from a KDP book. And that is with a BSR of 1,394. Book #2, ranking dropped a lot, 300,000, but still making about $100 per month. Book #3, also a KDP book, about a couple $100 per month. And book #4, same deal, a couple $100 per month. So let's go ahead and take a look at that book in the #1 ranking, Dot Markers activity book. So this has letters, numbers, and shapes. Super simple. As you can see with the rating here, mostly a 5-star. And you can see with the interiors, you have some letters here with some circles inside them. That is for the dot marker. And then an image of a fish. And just kind of that concept here, as you can see, letters, A is for apple, so there's an apple there, B, butterfly, C, cat, and then numbers right here. But really, it's just a bunch of circles inside of these pages, which is actually quite simple to make. Now, this is the tool that I make for these dot marker pages. And the cool thing about this is that you can already go into a text creation mode. So we can actually just do the text for you, and it can pre-fill the text or the image with these circles, or I can just do it manually like this. I can also just move them around if I need to move them around. Very simple tool, but really saves a lot of time compared to having to do this manually. And I can even delete these circles if they're not in the places that I want them to be. I can change the shape to whatever shape that I want here, heart, triangle, teardrop. I can even change the size of the shape. I can make it smaller. And I can even increase the stroke width here to make these a little bit more bold. Now, I did go in depth with this tool and this niche on my channel if you want to watch that. If you want to check out this tool, I'll leave it down below in the description. Now, the next niche is going to be called the Capybara Coloring Book for Kids. We see here total results, not too competitive here, 276. Niche score is a 57. The Titans Pro Analysis demand is a 5, opportunity is an 8. And this is going to be super popular. Very simple type of coloring book. It's going to be that square size where it's just kind of like that bold and easy design. As you can see, there are a couple here that are already selling pretty well. A couple $100 for this one. This one, same thing. This one, over $1,300 per month in estimated royalties. More books here that are actually selling and making good royalties. This one, over $1,000 per month. Now, looking at this book, Capybara Bold and Easy Coloring Book, you can see there's not really any type of description right here, but it's selling very, very well. This has a 4.8 out of 5 rating, 91% a 5-star. Priced at $9.99, which is the typical pricing point I see for this type of coloring book. And as you can see, the interior, very simple type of interior. Just a bunch of capybaras doing different types of scenes. Definitely something that can be created with AI and some very simple prompts. Now, the next niche is going to be called the swear words coloring book. Now, this one is more for adults, not for kids. Total results 1,743. So not too competitive here. This would be a great place to try KDP ads. Just kind of boost your book's ranking up closer to the first page. But as you can see right here, KDP book, upwards of $1,000 per month in estimated royalties. This one, $15,000 per month, best seller. Another one right here, over $1,000 per month, a bold and easy type of coloring book. This one, $100 to $200 per month. This one, close to $1,000 per month. And this one right here, very simple cover, not even that great, $3,000 per month in estimated royalties. So let's take a look at this one, motivational swear word coloring book for adults. This is priced at $9.99. Once again, that's the typical pricing point for coloring books. 80 pages, so not very long at all, only 30 illustrations here, but a 4.6 out of 5 rating. 82% is a 5-star, so this book is selling very, very well, and customers tend to like this book. And as you can see, here is the swear word, followed by a pattern in the background. And so it's very simple. These are things that you can create manually on Canva. You can put together these designs. You can create this type of text. It's actually quite fun to create these books. It does take a little bit more manual work, but with manual work, there's going to be less people that actually can copy these types of pages that you create. Here's some more samples on the back page. So as you can see, there is some work here, but definitely something that is worth pursuing. The next niche is going to be called the Cottagecore Coloring Book. As you can see, total results 334, so not too competitive here. We see a niche score here of 56, and then the analysis here, 7 on demand, opportunity very high at a 9. And we look down here. So this one, Cottagecore Bold and Easy, about $100 per month. Another one right here, Cozy Cottagecore Coloring Book, over $600 per month. Here's another one right here, a couple $100 per month. And this one right here, Cottagecore Creatures, a couple $100 per month. And another one right here, Cottagecore Coloring Book, very simple design here, about $100 per month. So as you can see, books here tend to sell. Now, you might not get a bestseller in this niche, but definitely a lot of people buying these books. Now, taking a look at this example, Cozy Cottagecore Coloring Book. This is a bold and easy type of book, priced at $9.99. This has 50 illustrations, so totaling 83 pages. And here is what it looks like. So as you can see, very simple, definitely something that you can create with AI. These are the types of styles that AI can actually produce very, very well now. And if we look at this graph, you can see that this book was just recently published. And you can see right away that people are liking this book because the line here keeps going downward, which is here closer to 0, the BSR here of 0. So the closer it is to 0, the better the ranking, the more sales. Now the next niche is called the Pixel by Number Coloring Book. Total results here 970, so not too competitive. Niche score very high at an 81. Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 6, opportunity is a 9. And you can see right here is a best seller. So this book, KDP book, I mean, that's pretty insane. Over $50,000 per month coming from one single book. I mean, there are people that don't even make this much in a single year. And this guy is making it every single month. Here's another one right here, a little bit more realistic, $100 per month in estimated royalties. Same right here. This one right here doing very well, close to $4,000 per month in estimated royalties. Here's another one, $3,000. You can see the numbers here are very, very good. These are really high performing books, over $1,700 per month on this one. And this one right here, over $1,000 per month. Now, if we take a look at this example, Mystery Mosaics, Color by Number, Dazzling Creatures. This one priced at $9.99, 79 pages, so not too long of a book. And this is what it actually looks like. So this one you can actually make out the image here. But if we actually take a look at one of the pages, which is going to be down here in the A+ content, you can see these are the final images when it's fully done and complete and colored in. And in the background right there, right here, you can see that it's just a bunch of pixels here, and they have numbers or letters like this color palette, where the customer is going to go ahead and follow the key and color in that specific grid or that box with whatever color it shows in its palette right here. You can kind of peek right here. 0 is black, 1 is light blue, 2 is dark blue, 3 is white, and so on and so forth. And then once all completed, it turns out into something pretty amazing. Now, I have gone through this tool many times on my channel. This is the color by number tool that I use. Very, very powerful. As you can see, this is an image that I used for this tool. I just uploaded it into here and it turned into a color by number or a pixel color by number page. And the thing that's great about this is that if there are any edits that I need to make, well, I can go ahead and make that easily. So for example, let's say I need to remove a color here. Let's go after this yellow. I'm gonna go and pick the number 4 and just color these in just like that. Very, very easy to do, right? So I can kind of just do this thing right here. And if we look at some more examples, for example, there's this one right here. Let's say I'm gonna clean that up. Press the pencil tool right here, look for the color that I wanna use. Let's do 17 and then clean it up. Very easy. Now with this tool, you can change the number of colors. I can go to 12 here and you can see it's not as defined, but I can go back to 24. I can do 36 and I can even do 48. And you can see it gets really, really detailed. But I like to stick around 24 there. Now with this astronaut, looks really, really good. You can change the shape. You can do square, circle, triangle, and then also diamond. I really like how hexagon looks. And these are things that you can create different shapes for different pages and put it all together. And one more thing here, you can go with a medium grid size. So this one does very well, or a simple one. But as you can see, the detail kind of gets lost here. So I really suggest to stay to medium as well as detailed. I think this just looks a lot better. You can also change your book size right up there. Now, if you want to check out this tool, I'll leave it linked down below. I also went full depth with this tool and this niche on my channel if you want to check that out as well. So hopefully this list gave you a few new ideas to think about, because with KDP, you don't need to create every type of book. You just need to find the right ideas, validate them properly, and then build around niches that actually make sense. If you want to check out the tools that I showed in this video, I'll leave the links down below in the description. And if you want help learning the full KDP process step by step, I also put together my free KDP royalty roadmap. That guide walks you through the entire process, and you can find it linked in the description as well. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. That being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.